In this video, I'm going to show you how to quick create custom bingo cards right inside Canva using the Activities Maker app. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Apps icon. In the search bar at the top, I'll type in Activities and then select the Activities Maker app from the results to open it up. Once the app loads, I'll click on the Bingo tab at the top of the panel to see my bingo options. I can enter my own words manually, but for this tutorial, I'll simply click on the Colors preset to automatically fill my bingo entries. Next, I'll open the Bingo Settings dropdown to customize the card layout. I'm going to set the number of rows and columns to 3 for a smaller grid. I'll also tweak the font size and cell padding to ensure the text is easy to read and the cells are well proportioned. Below those sliders, I can toggle various options like adding a free space or showing grid lines to get the exact look I want. Once everything is set, I'll click the purple Generate button at the bottom of the panel. The cards appear right on my design, so I'll start by dragging them apart to see each one clearly. Now, I'll add a second page to my document so I can give each card its own space. I'll move the first card to the top page, then resize and center it so it fills the sheet perfectly. Finally, I'll do the same for the second card on page 2, stretching it out until it looks just right. And just like that, I have custom bingo cards ready to download and print for my next game.